I/O quick change couplers are standard equipment on all triad stands, orbit booms, and micro adapters. I/O quick change couplers effortlessly connect triad orbit stands and components with ease and assurance. On-the-fly hardware swaps are now a reality, replacing the time-consuming task of threading booms and mic clips on and off. The IOR quick change coupler was designed to retrofit conventional stands and hardware to work with triad orbit innovation. When combined with the IOH mounting head, the IOR provides instant compatibility between conventional mic stands, boom arms, and mic clips, and triad orbit advanced microphone stand system components. Just as you would with a mic clip, screw the IOR onto the threaded portion of your conventional mic stand. Next, use the supplied hex wrench to lock the IOR in place. The hex screw does not actually contact the threads. Rather, a cam applies pressure internally to tighten the threads. Your mic stand's threads are not stripped or damaged in any way.